look at my elf. This literally right. Do you know Roblox has a secret? Maybe Chanda and Sammy have a crush on each other. They're not even really friends. They have a child in their secret. You try to see is it real? Search it.
Abang ka na. Ikaw. Gayahin mo siya. Ay, gayahin mo. Ikaw.
So this is my favorite.
Ay.
So every day I play this.
Hey, see.
Do you know, guys? So I'm gonna build a. Okay. And Flash, because why can I eat this? Oh, yeah. It doesn't want that. No way, no way, no way. Just one hand. No way I'm gonna get to it. I'll flip it. Actually, this is so good. This is probably done. Oh no, I need the diamond. I'm gonna go actually to the ladder. Okay. Ow! Ow! I'm gonna go to the
Dito ka. Mami din. Ang dami.
Oh, I like this one.
Dahan-dahan, mauntog siya. Lablog mo natin si Vanny. Hintayin mo, mami, titito na yun. Kaya nakita mo yung dedaan niya yun.
Just in case I need this. Oh,
Ate!
okay. Actually, there's what Mom, stop.
Ano yung sasabihin mo tayo na bumili tayo ng gatas na ito?
Bakit?
Basta. Basta. Kung mari wala kang gatas.
Okay.
Higa ka na dito. Higa. Okay na, alis ka na dyan. Eh,